Hello guys, we'll be reacting to Justin Insect. We'll be reacting to Justin Insect, and this is the guy that scammed me and stole my girlfriend. Let's just put he stole my girlfriend. This is mine. That is mine. That girlfriend is mine. Sam, can you mute? Please? Shut up, Nikea, and get out! Okay. This is mine. Right here. And he scams me. And look at this dude. 3 subscribers. 3 subscribers. And after I told him about the Roblox, he just stopped playing Roblox. Oh, you died. I'm gonna watch more clips. He just took him. So don't subscribe to this guy. He sucks. He's garbage. And he doesn't deserve any subscribers for scamming and making terrible videos. So don't subscribe to him, and I'll see you guys next time.